Bhikhu Parekh produced an study of multiculturalism in his noted work Rethinking Multiculturalism, Cultural Diversity and Political Theory, who argued that property rights should be strictly upheld provided that wealth has been justly acquired in the first place or has been justly transferred from one person to the another. So this is Robert Nozick. Identify the correct statements regarding the ecologism. The term ecology was first coined by the Ernest Haeckel. It studied the relationship between the living organism and their environment. Raquel Carson was an environmental conservationist. The view that the physical world and natural resources should be treated as subservient to human needs and interests refers to the idea of anthropocentrism. The concept of deconstruction is associated with the postmodernism, who proposed the truth as an incredulity towards meta-narratives. Jean Francois Lyotard. Next is here. Ecofeminism has been a significant strand of feminist thought and activism since the term was coined by the French feminist Francois D. Equibone in the 1970s. तो ये बात क्या है बिल्कुल ठीक है. और रीजन में लिखा हुआ है कि इको फेमिनिस्ट्स आर अकाउंटेबल फॉर द क्लाइमेट चेंज कंसिक्वेंसेस. तो ये बात क्या है गलत है. नेक्स्ट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स आर मैच्ड प्रॉपरली. तो पेट्रार्की द पावर रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द मैन एंड वुमेन एंड होलिज्म द होल इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन इट्स पार्ट. Next is deep ecology में rejection of the anthropocentrism. Next, which of the following terms are associated with the conservatism? So tradition and social duty and change in order to conserve. Next is who coined the term possessive individualism? So this is C.B. Macpherson. Next, identify the essential facts about the communism. So common ownership and absolute equality, classless society and vanguard party. Next, deliberative democracy champions informal debate, public use of reason, impartial pursuit of truth. Next, socialism, Thomas Piketty. Feminism, bell hooks. Ecologism, A.F. Schumacher. Multiculturalism, Charles Taylor. Next, government requires a special elite. Conservatism, majority of the population are incapable of effective self-government. Liberalism, political democracy ignores the lack of democracy in economic relations. Marxism, democratic systems reflect gender divisions in society. Feminism, application of the laws of dialectics in social life is demonstrated through the principle of historical materialism. Cosmopolitans argue that the citizenship should extend to the world as a whole. Next, human rights are also criticized for elevating individualism above the collectivism. Who said every state is known by the rights that it maintains? Lawsky. Among the following, who is related to the traditional perspective of political theory? George H. Sabine. Consider the following regarding generations of human rights. So, the first generation focused on the civil and political rights. The second generation focused on the economic, social and cultural rights. And the third generation focused on the collective rights.